Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Freightliner Coronado factory-built glider kit, built with a pre-log, pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10-speed. It's got a little over 1 million miles total on it, but it's got 0 miles on a complete engine overhaul with all Detroit parts, including the overhaul kit, head, turbo, and injectors. Really nice truck overall. I've gotten it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath, show you blow by, show you oil pressure, and finish up on the interior. Let's go ahead and get started. Air ride front end, excellent steers. Frame's in good shape. You got very small but a little bit of rust where it's flaking off on the front. Nothing uncommon for a 1 million mile truck and one of this age. Front end looks really good. Blow by looks great. Got some rock chips up on this fender here, but that's really about it up in the front. Running boards look good. Got these cab extenders that have a little bit of a bend to it. Not awful, not cracked out, but it is there. So your frame rails look good, rear end looks good, no rust on any of that. Brakes look good. It had an APU on there, but there's nothing really left there of it, so it's not got an APU. A little bend right there. Higher level interior package as well. There's your total miles. Great low side oil pressure. Jumps up there exactly like it's supposed to. Sounds fantastic. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.